This is what happened last night, and it is very dangerous if I have to go out because, yes, the roof tiles falling down, and then it's already scattered on my garden. Look at that, and all the debris from top of my roof. It's very dangerous if I go out last night. You can see here in my car the debris here, down here, also the debris scattered. Let me check what happened. Yes, that is the roof, and those are what happened. All are cracking down, and yes, that is, can you see it clearly? That is what happened. All cracking because of the termite and because of the old house. They are all down, falling on top of the other layer of my roof. There they are. So dangerous. And those are the first layer, the first floor. Here you can see, and then there, up there on top.